Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an account on Gumroad. Gumroad is a fantastic platform that empowers you to buy and sell digital products with ease. Whether you're an artist looking to sell your digital art or someone searching for unique digital products, Gumroad has got you covered. Creating an account might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring you feel confident in getting started. To begin your journey on Gumroad, the first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser. Once that's done, type in the address bar gumroad.com. This is an essential step, as typing the address yourself helps you avoid any lookalike sites that might not be legitimate. After typing the URL, press enter and wait for the page to load. Once the homepage appears, double-check to ensure that you're indeed on Gumroad's official site and that your connection is secure. A secure connection is often indicated by a padlock icon next to the URL. If you're using a public or shared computer, consider opening a private browsing window. This helps ensure your session details remain private and are not saved on the device. Now that you're on the Gumroad homepage, you should see an option to begin creating your account. Look for a prominent button. It might say Sign Up, Start Selling, or Get Started. Despite the different labels, all these buttons will take you to the same place, the registration page. Click on the button and you'll find yourself on the registration screen, where you can choose how you'd like to sign up. On this screen, you have two main options. You can either create an account using your email address and a password, or opt for a social login, such as signing in with Google. If you decide to use your email and password, you'll be responsible for managing your login information directly on Gumroad. On the other hand, using a social login allows you to authenticate through that service, which might be more convenient if you want to reduce the number of passwords you need to remember. Choose the option that suits you best. For those opting to use an email, enter an active email address that you frequently check. This is important because Gumroad will send you verification emails and important notifications here. Next, create a strong, unique password. A good password will include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password that you use for other accounts to enhance security. Once you've filled in your details, you'll need to review Gumroad's terms, conditions, and privacy policy. It's always a wise decision to take a moment to read through these and understand what you're agreeing to. After you have submitted your information, keep an eye on your email inbox. Gumroad will send you a verification email. Open this email and click on the verification or confirmation link to finalize your account setup. If you don't see this email right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Sometimes emails get filtered out incorrectly. If there's still no sign of it, return to the sign up page and use the resend option to request another verification email. Once you've successfully verified your email, your Gumroad account will be active and ready for you to use. You can now sign in and start exploring everything Gumroad has to offer. Whether you want to browse products or set up your own digital store, you're all set to begin. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create an account on Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.